Okay, so HTML custom data. A list of relative file paths pointing to JSON files following the custom data format. VS Code loads custom data on startup to enhance its HTML support for the custom HTML tags, attributes and attribute values you specify in the JSON files. Remember that the file paths are relative to workspace and only workspace folder settings are considered. Now, essentially, here's the deal. You might have some extensions that do some work with your HTML files, and they need to know which tags and attributes are considered valid, right? And you can extend the tags and attributes that are considered valid by using this setting right here, where you create a JSON file where you insert that information. I don't have any custom HTML tags or attributes, so I'm going to leave this one empty.